For my next robot, I wanted to build a simple bipedal robot taking inspiration from the Otto platform. For the physical design, I decided to base the aesthetics off of Tic Tac, my two-wheel balancing robot. Overall, this build was pretty simple. The legs are designed around two servo motors that make up the hip and the ankle joints. The body houses the battery and all of the electronics. In order to get Toe to move, I programmed a sequence of poses that flow together to form a walking gait. This sequence allows Toe to walk forward and backwards as well as turn. One other feature I've included uses the ultrasonic distance sensor eyes to sense things in front of Toe. If something gets too close, Toe goes up on its toes, allowing easier access to the power switch and programming port on the underside of its torso. Overall, Toe's speed and maneuverability are a bit underwhelming, but I think it's a good showcase of how simple it can be to create a statically balanced bipedal robot. As always, the CAD and code files can be downloaded from my GitHub repository, linked in the description. Let me know in the comments if you have any potential improvements for this design or recommendations for future projects.